Hey guys, what's happening? How to build a community on new social media apps. First of all, choose the right platform, identify where your target audience hang out, and create engaging content. Post consistently with mix of value-driven and interactive posts, right? And reply to comments. Always reply comments, start discussions, and host live sessions, right? And use new app features like stories, right? Reels, groups to boost visibility, and collaborate with others. Always partner with creators to expand your reach. And if you want to leverage AI for that, you can just go ahead and create a 5 post plan for growing and engaged a community on a new social media platform focused on tech enthusiasts, for example. All right, so here you go. Let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.